students. Today my lecture is on decimal fractions. You know what is decimal fractions? 4.53. After this decimal we are having 53. So when you change it 453 over 100, because after decimal we are having two digits, so two zeros in the denominator. This is known as decimal fractions. There are two types of decimal fractions. One is like decimal fraction, one is unlike decimal fraction. What is like decimal fraction? In which after decimals we are having same number of digits. See here, after decimal how many digits are there? 2. Here also after decimal 2. After decimal 2 digits. All are having 2 digits after the decimal. So they are known as like decimal fractions. It doesn't make any difference if you are having 2 digits before the decimal. Only you have to see decimal part. That should be same number of digits. Unlike decimal fractions, in which after decimal we are having different number of digits. 1, 2, then 106.05. See here, after decimal 3 digits, after decimal 2 digits, after decimal 2 digits. So they are different. They are known as unlike decimal fractions. Now see the place value chart. Place value chart. All of you are familiar with ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, like that you are familiar. After decimal, first is tenth part. One part is taken by the decimal. After decimal, first digit will take tenth part. Then hundredth part, you have to write th at the back. Hundred, then thousandth. This is known as the place value chart. Before decimal, as usual, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. After decimal, we are having tenth part, 100th part, 1000th part. Now see here, if you are having, write the following fractions in words. 46.23. 46.23. Now see, this is 46, ones, tens. Here it is 10th place, 100th place. We will not tell 23. We will say 0.23. So how we will write in words? It will write 46.23. You can write decimal also or point. Anything you can write. 0.23. This is the A part. Now see here 0.014. How you will write? 0.014. 0.014. All have understood? If you are having 305.601, I am only explaining you. Learn how to do the sums. Questions I have sent in the campus here. This will be, see here, ones, tens, 100. This is 10th part, 100th part, 1000th part. We have to write it in short letters. Similarly here, ones, tens, capital letter. After decimal, small letters, 10th, 100, 1000. You will write 305. 305 point. What you will write? You should not write 601. It is wrong. You will write 0.601. 0.601. First question is clear, all of you? You understood what are like fractions and what are unlike decimal fractions? Yes. First question I have explained you. Now come to the second question. Write each in the fractions as a decimal. See here beta. Question number 2a, part 7 over 10. See, in the denominator how many zeros are there? 1 0. So before one decimal you will put the decimal. It will become 0.7. Got it? If you are having 8 over 100. Now how many zeros are there in the denominator? 1, 2. But you are having only one digit in the numerator. So you put 1, 0, 8. If you are not having less number of digits, you have to put 0 before, not after. If you write after 8, it will become 80. So we cannot change the digit. We want only 8. So you will write 0, 8. Got it? Similarly, 367 over 1000. Now how many zeros are in the denominator? 1, 2, 3. Count from the back. 1, 2, 3. 0.367. You have to count from the back, not from the front. If you are having mixed fraction, 8, 6 over 10. First change it into improper fraction. 10 is 80 plus 6, 86 over 10. How many zeros in the denominator? 1 zero. From the back, one digit. That is 8.6. Understood all of you? Similarly, third question, write the following as mixed number. Now decimal fractions are given. You have to change into mixed number. 3.54. Very easy question. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2. So it will become 354 over 100. If you are having 8.09. Now tell me, after decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits. 8, 9 over 100. Understood all of you? Now next question, write the place value of underlined digits. Place value of underlined digits. First digit is 1.036. We have to underline number is 3. First you write it is ones, 10, 100, 1000. This will become 300. What you will write? 300. Or you can write 3 over 100. One at the same thing. 3.159. Now 1 is underlined. Again this is ones place. 10, 100, 1000. 1/10 or 1 over 10. Got it all of you? Write in expanded form. Question number 5, A part. Expanded form, very easy. Students, see here, this is ones, 10, 100. You will write 2 ones plus 0 tens plus 500. 500. So it will become 2, 0 no need to write, 5 over 100. Understood all of you? Very easy and scoring exercise. If you understand it, then it's very easy. Watch the video very carefully. 2-3 times you can watch. That's why we are making a video and sending. See it, 141.075. First of all, you have to make the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. Here it will be 10, 100, 1000. It will become 100 plus 4 tens plus 1 ones plus 0 tenth. Here you have to write the place value of 0 plus 700 plus 5000. 5000. See here students, it will become 100 plus 4 times means 40 plus 1 plus 0 tens no need to write, 7 hundreds over 100, 5000 over 1000. This is known as the expanded form. What we call it? Expanded form. Now write the decimals. Now expanded form is given to you. You have to change it into decimals. See here, 300 plus 20 plus 7, 0.01 plus 0.003. Very easy method. Here you can write 300 plus 20 plus 7, 327. Point 013. You can add it like this. 0.01, 0.003. What you are getting? 0.013. This is the answer. Got it? If you are having 6 plus 1 over 10, 2 over 100, 3 over 1000. First change it into decimal part. 6 will remain as such. What is 1 over 10? 0.1. What is 2 over 100? 0.02. Because here 2 zeros, we are having 1 digit. 1 zero we will put. 3 zeros, 1 digit we are having. 0.003. That is 6.123. Got it? Everybody is clear? Now put the correct sign. You have to see the digits. Question number 7. 0.46. Here 0.48. See here students, first is 0. Ones place. Both are same. 10th place 4. Here also 4. 100th place 6. Here is 8. Which is greater than? 8 1 is greater. So 0.48 is greater. Got it? If you are having 0.007 or 0.07. 1's place is 0. 10th place again 0. 100th place 0. Here 100th place is 7. Which is greater? 7 is greater. So that's it. You will put the sign. Understood all of you? Now come to the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. What is ascending order? Small to big. First you will write the smaller number, then you will write it in increasing order. See here, question number 8, 0.6, 1.639, comma 1.579, comma 1.369, comma 1.963. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big means you have to write the smaller digit first. Which is the smaller here? See here, 1.369, then 1.579, then 1.639, 1.963. Ascending means small to big, then descending big to small. Descending means big to small. Now come to the 10th question. Descending order you understood now? Big to small. From first we will write the bigger number. Now convert the following common fraction in decimal fraction. 1 over 2. Now which number you will multiply to get the denominator? 2 5s are 10. 10 means 0 is, we are getting 10 in the denominator. So we will write denominator and numerator both by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Similarly, if you are having 1 over 4. So which number you can multiply? You cannot get 4 table 10. You can get 100. 25 4s are 100. 25 1s are 25. 25 4s are 100. Keep it in mind, if you are having 2, you multiply by 5, you will get 10. If you are having 4, you multiply by 25, you will get 100. If you are having 8, you multiply by 125, you will get 1000. Got it? Yes. If you are having 6, 3 over 8. See here, 8 6 are 48, 49 50, 51 over 8. Now we are having 8, you multiply by 125 in the numerator, 125 in the denominator. Multiply 8, 125 into 51. See here students, 125, 5 for the 25, 2 for the 10, 12, 1, 5, 6, 25, 5, 7, 3, 6. 6, 3, 7, 5 over 1000. Got it? Now 11th question, convert the following decimal into common fractions. 0.3. See here. 0.3. How many decimal part is there? After decimal you are having one digit, so it will become 3/10. 3/10. There can be no cancellation. Similarly 0.35. How many digits are there? 2. 35/100. ठीक है? This is a common fractional part, means you have to cut it. 2 5 7s are 5 20s are 7/20. Got it, all of you? 45.54. After decimal, how many number are there? 2. 4554/100. You can do it by cancellation. Cutting 2. 2 to the 4, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14 over 50. This will be 50. Now no cancellation, so it will remain as such. If you write like this also 35/100, that is also correct. That is also correct. So with this exercise 5.2 we have completed. Now come to 5.2 exercise. 5.2 exercise. Multiplication. Everybody is familiar with multiplication? Yes. 6.3 into 7. See here students, first you do the simple multiplication. 7 3 is 21, 2. 7 6 is 42 and 2 44. What is the main step here? After decimal, how many numbers are there? One digit. So from the back, you have to put one decimal before one digit. This is the answer. See here now, 0.006 into 144. Multiply it. 6 4s are 24. 2 here, 0 0. 24 again 0 0. Then 6 0 0. Add it 4. 12, carry 1 3 0. How many decimal are there? A decimal part. 1 2 3. From the back. 1 2 3. This is the answer. Only you do the same multiplication. Count the number of digits after the decimal. Count it from the back and put the decimal there. Got it? 7.182 into 45. See here, do the multiplication first. 5 to the 10. 1, 8 were 40 and 1 41. 4, 5 1 the 5, 9. 35. 4 to the 8. 32 3. 7 7 for the 28. Add it. 0 9 11 carry 1 8 9 10 13 carry 1 9 10 12 carry 1 3. Now count the number of digits after the decimal. 1 2 3. From the back count it. 1 2 3. Here will be the decimal. This is the answer. Got it? Now come to the problem sums. Up to this I have completed. In the next lecture I will give you the problem sums. Thank you students.